Hello friends, I'm Yash Verma and welcome to my channel Yash Maths Guruji. Friends, in this video I will teach you how to balance any chemical reaction or equation in just 10 seconds dosto. And it is not any trick, it is by ABCD method. So let's get started without any wasting any time. So the first question we will solve is PB3O. I will write a question on the board. PB3O4 give rise to PBO plus O2. Yes, this is the question and we have to balance it. You can do this by hit or try method, but I will not do this because it is a very lengthy process, and I will teach you a short trick to solve this simple equation and we will balance this. Okay, so we will name the products. So as for example PB3O4 we will take as A, okay, PBO we will take as B, and O2 we will take as C. Okay, so friends, as we have named this reactants, and then we will put the values of the elements in the form of A, B, C in alphabetic order. For example, Pb, that is lead. In this side, on the left hand side, how many lead are there? 3. So what the name we have given to lead? Lead oxide, lead A. So we will write as 3A because lead has 3 and we have named this as A. So here on left hand side 3A for Pb, and on the right hand side how many P are there? 1, and we have named it as B, so we will put B here. Okay, now for O, for oxygen, how many oxygen are there on the left hand side? 4, we have named it as A, 4A, and on the right hand side it is 1 plus 2. So what we will do now? Just simply write the alphabetic name we have given to the following. O, this side B, plus, we have to write plus because there is plus. Okay, and here is 2, so we have named it C. So 2 into C is 2C. Okay, and now we will let or imagine something as A, like let A be 1 or B be 1, whichever you like and whichever is be suitable for all the reactions. So I will take let A equal to 1. So if A equal to 1, you can take out the value of B easily because 3 into 1 equal to B, and therefore B equal to 3. Okay friends, so A equal to 1, B equal to 3, and therefore, and for C we will take out the value. A equal to 1, 4 into 1, 4, and B 3 plus 2C. We will take out the value of C. 4, we will 4 minus 3 and equal to 2C. Therefore C, the value of C is half. So friends, let's put the values of A, B, C to their corresponding to their suitable sides. So for A we have imagined that PB3O4 is A, so we will put the value 1. For B we have imagined PBO as B, so 3 PBO, and we have imagined that O2 is C. So what is the value of C? 1 by 2, so we will put 1 by 2 in front of O2. Now as it is, you have never seen that that on the left hand side of any element there is in fraction. It is like it is not in fraction, it is normal number. So what we will do to make it normal number? Just multiply it by 2. So when we will multiply it by 2, then it will be like this. 2 PB3O4 give rise to 3 into 2 6 PbO and 2 O2. So friends, our answer here is taken 2 Pb. Here on the left hand side Pb is 3 into 2 6 and here is also 6. Balance for O is 4 into 2 8, 4 plus 6. Sorry friends, 8 and here is 6 plus 4. So friends, when we will multiply half into 2, there will be 1. Okay, now we will check that whether it is balanced or not. So when we will multiply it by, it is 2, 3 into 6 and this will be 1. Okay, so lead here on the left hand side it is 6 and here also 6. O on the left hand side it is 4 into 2, that is 8 and here 2 plus 6 8. So friends, it is balanced. How is it, how easy it is, you have seen. So I will solve another question for you so that you can easily understand. So let's begin with the next question. So friends, the next question is here. H2O plus Cl2 give rise to HCl plus O2. So I have named the following so that the time will not waste. And now we will put the values. On the left hand side, how many H are there? 2. So we will, for H, on the left hand side, H is 2. So we will give it as 2A. On the right hand side, how many H? 1. So H is C. Now for oxygen, how many oxygen are there? 1. This is for oxygen. A equal to how many oxygen are there? 2. 2D. On for C, how many chlorine are there? 2. 2B. How many chlorine are there? 1. So C. Okay. Now we have to assume any of this A, B, C as 1 so that it can help us to solve the following and take our result. So we can assume that let A equal to, or yes, let A equal to 1. My favorite is 1. My favorite is A. You can take any, but in this case A is only our situation. So if A equal to 1, then how many? Then what will be the C? C equal to 2, because 2 into 1, 2 equal to C, that is C equal to 2. And from C we can take out B. Then if C is 2, then 2B equal to 2. Therefore 2 cancel and B equal to 1. And from B we can take out A. No, all of them are completed. So what are we waiting for? We will put all the numbers here and check whether our equation is correct and balanced or not. So let's put the values. And A on the left hand side, A, what we have assumed A as H2O, so we will put 1 here. B is Cl2 and it is 1, and C A, B, C, D. Sorry friends, D is, we have left D. So what was D? O. O was D. On the left hand side, O was 1, A, and on the right hand side, O was D. O was 2. So 2D. And as we have taken A, we can take out D also. Therefore A equal to 1 and 2D. And therefore D equal to 1. So friends, we will put our values and check whether our balance is, or whether our equation are balanced or not. 1, C is 2 and O2 is half. We will multiply all of them by 2. So when we will multiply 2 into 1, then it will be 2 here Cl2 is also 2, and this will be 4, and this will be 1. So in left hand side H is 4, H is 4, O is 2, O is 2, and Cl is 4, Cl is 4. You have seen that how easy it is, and if you will practice 2-3 times, then you will, I'm sure that you will solve in just 5 seconds. I am explaining, that is why I am taking some extra time, but you will solve in just 5 seconds. This is my guarantee. So if you like this video, please like my video and subscribe my channel Yash Maths Guruji. Thank you. Here friends, the third question is here, Ca plus N2 give rise to Ca3N2. In this case we have also taken and I have put all the values A, B, C order, and so let's start. In the left hand side, how many Ca are you seeing? Ca is 1, so A, and on the right hand side Ca is 3, so 3C. Okay, and on the left hand side is 2, 2B, and on the right hand side it is 2C. So let's start balancing, and you can see here that N is balanced, then also we have to adjust it to balance C. So we have to take something as 1. We will take, let B or let A only, let A equal to 1, let A equal to 1, then C equal to 1 by 3, and here 2B equal to 2C into 2 by 3, and B will be 2 by 3 into 1 by 2, 2 to cancel, B is 1 by 3, B and C is 1 by 3, and A is 1. So we will put the values in front of this. C1, C we have taken as A, so A1, B and C are 1 by 3, so we will put 1 by 3 here and 1 by 3 here, and again it is in fraction, so we will multiply some number so that it comes in number, proper number. It will not come in fraction. So what we should do to make it as number? Multiply it by 3. So when we will multiply it by 3, then 1 into 3 equal to 3, and N2, 1 by 3 into 3, it will cut and it will come as N2 only, and in this case also Ca3N2, 1 by 3 into 3 is 1. So let's check whether our reaction is balanced or not. Ca is in the left hand side, Ca is 3, in here also 1, there is no value of 1 in this case, so 3 balanced, 2n balanced. So friends, this is easy, very easy, and if you will try this 2-3 times by yourself, you will, I'm sure that you will solve in within 10 seconds minimum. I am explaining you, that's why it is taking a pretty much time, but if you will take and solve it yourselves, I'm sure that you will you will crack it and you will balance in just 5 seconds. So friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share also. So thank you.